Hi everyone! In this video I will be talking about how to use groups in Canvas. The first thing you will need to know is how to access your group. There are two different ways that you can go about doing this. The first is through the Groups button in the global navigation bar. The global navigation is the blue bar on the left of your screen. So we'll go down here and we see the Groups button. We're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on your group name, and it will take you then to your group page. The next way is through the People button. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to click on Groups, which then will take you to the list of your groups, and you'll find the one that you personally are in. Now for this next part, I'm going to leave Student View so that I can show you how you're going to work in your groups. So I'm going to go into Group 2. So once again, here's the home page for each group. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go into discussions. This is probably the one that you will be utilizing the most. And so once we go into discussions, you'll see that there are a list of different discussion groups. So we already did our fad diets discussion. So now the next one that's due is our mental health discussion. I created one of these in each of your groups, so once you click on it, you'll be able to see the designated health topic that I've given you, as well as the video. So once you have access to this, you then, just like our other discussions, can go in and type in a response to each of the questions. So that's how you communicate. And then for submitting these assignments, make sure that you communicate with each of your group members to see who's going to post to our actual group page. Because as you know, I'll go here into our modules, that you need to make sure that you post to the actual class's discussion. That way the whole class is able to see, because in your group page, not everyone's able to see that, but in the class discussion, they are. So I'm trying to get down to the mental health. Let's see here. Here we go. So you're going to go here, and just like our other discussions, you'll post, but only one group member posts for your group. And then how grading is going to work is that, one, you get graded for having the post, but I need to make sure that each group member has contributed. So what I'm going to be doing is I have access to each of your group pages, and I'm going to be seeing whether or not each person participated. And if you did, you get the 5 points. If you did not, you don't get the 5 points. Once again, with this discussion, you'll also need to respond to someone else's post, and that will be another 5 points. So that is how you use groups. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.